Oh my goodness. No wonder it has zoo paper.
What's it say?
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Look at that. What does that say?
No.
What does that say? Oh.
Lion.
Lion. What does that say?
Rhinoceros.
Oh my goodness.
Zebra.
Look at it go.
Camel.
Gazelle. Look.
Gazelle. Giraffe.
Look at it going. See it?
See it?
Oh my goodness. That is a cool book. Where's your other present?
Oh, right here.
Oh, right here.
Whoa, it's a big.
There's another one in there.
It's a big.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
What's that? What does it say?
If you guys
Give
a dog a
donut. All right. And there's 2 books. Yay. Can you say thank you, Uncle Jay?
Thank you, Uncle Jay.